Financial literacy, like being the captain of your own ship in the vast ocean of finances. It is the key to a better future. Imagine this: you've got a bag of gold coins. Now, what do you do with it? Do you spend it all at once on shiny things that catch your eye? Or do you save some for a rainy day and invest a bit to make your gold grow? Financial literacy helps you make smart choices with your money. We are going to explain everything about financial literacy and why it is extremely important. So stay till the end and understand this most important concept of life. Financial literacy is your ability to understand your financial situation and work towards building your wealth or planning for your retirement. So how would you build your wealth? There are certain financial things you need to understand to build wealth, which includes savings, investments, debt, interest rates. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. You should prioritize saving and make it a habit. Save a portion of your income each month, no matter how big or small. All experienced person says, save money and money will save you. After saving a money, do not keep it in your bank account, invest it. In the realm of financial literacy, investing is like planting seeds today to grow a forest of wealth tomorrow. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone can start investing with even small amounts of money. Compound interest will play the magic for you. Let's say you have saved an invest of $100, an annual interest rate of 5%. After the first year, you'll earn $5 in interest, bringing your total savings to $105. Now, in the second year, you'll earn interest not just on your initial $100, but on the entire $105. This means you'll earn a bit more interest of $5.25 this time. Your total savings now become $110.25. As you can see, with compound interest, your money starts to grow faster and faster over time because you're earning interest on an ever-increasing amount. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow as it goes. The longer you leave your money to grow with compound interest, the more it will snowball into a larger sum. That's why starting to save and invest early is so powerful. Even small amounts can grow into significant sums over time, thanks to compound interest. In many of our videos, we explain power of compounding. You can watch it if you want to know more. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial literacy. It involves creating a detailed plan that outlines your income and expenses. Budgeting in the realm of financial literacy is like creating a roadmap for your money. Through budgeting, individuals can gain control over their finances, allocate funds to various needs, and track their spending habits. Over 70% of the Indian workforce lives paycheck to paycheck, which means that they are unable to save towards an unexpected rainy day. Budgeting helps individuals have a clear picture in place of their income and expenses. There are some rule of budgeting 50-30-20 rule, which says allocating 50% of your money toward needs, 30% toward wants, and 20% toward savings. And 30-30-30-10, which says 30% of your income to housing such as EMIs, rent, maintenance, the next 30% to needs like grocery, utility, another 30% to your future goals, and spend rest 10% on your wants. We will personally suggest you save and invest as much as you can before you spend. This habit makes you save and invest to create wealth. In the world of finance, interest rate is like the heartbeat. It's the cost of borrowing money or the reward for lending or saving money. In simpler terms, it's the percentage of your loan or investment that you either pay or receive over a certain period. Let's understand the core. When you borrow money, like taking out a loan or using a credit card, you usually have to pay back more than you borrowed. That extra amount is the interest. The interest rate determines how much extra you have to pay. A higher interest rate means you'll pay more for the privilege of borrowing money. On the flip side, when you save money in a bank account or invest in bonds or stocks, you earn interest on your savings or investments. The interest rate determines how much extra money you'll earn over time. Understanding interest rates is crucial in financial literacy because it affects many aspects of your financial life. It influences how much you pay for loans, how much you earn on your savings and investments. In the world of finance, everything is connected by the gravitational pull of interest rates. Unfortunately, most people end up resorting to high-interest credit loans in their hour of financial emergencies, trapping them in a vicious debt cycle. Financially literate are better equipped to make smarter financial decisions, preventing them from facing harsh financial challenges. Taxes are an inevitable part of personal finance. You need to learn about tax deductions, credits, and tax-advantaged accounts, helping you in optimizing your tax strategies to minimize tax liabilities while staying compliant with tax laws, ensuring more efficient use of your income. It's also important to assessing and minimizing potential financial risks. You need to have strategies in place to protect your assets and income from unforeseen events like illness, disability, or death. This can include having appropriate insurance coverage, creating wills and estate plans, considering the impact of risk when making financial decisions. Now let's understand why financial literacy is so important. Financial literacy empowers you to take control of your financial futures. When you understand how money works, you feel more confident in making informed financial decisions. Not only that, financial literacy gives you clarity regarding your taxes, making you proficient in smart tax planning geared towards building your savings. In a digital age where financial scams and fraud are increasingly sophisticated, possessing financial literacy is akin to having a robust shield guarding against potential financial threats. If you financially literate, you are not only equipped to recognize these scams, but are also adept at implementing protective measures that fortify your financial security. Financial literacy makes you more likely to contribute to economic stability, like you are less vulnerable to financial crises and are better equipped to manage economic downturns, such as global instability due to the pandemic or even during times of war or the situations like Corona. It improves your overall quality of life. By reducing the stress and anxiety related to money matters, it provides a sense of security and peace of mind. Financially literate individuals can embark on better financial planning journeys, ensuring that their resources are allocated efficiently to meet both short-term needs and long-term aspirations. This, in turn, paves the way for the realization of cherished life goals, such as purchasing a home, sending children to college, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. A lack of financial literacy often leads to debt accumulation. Understanding personal finance can help individuals avoid excessive debt and make responsible borrowing decisions. It is a key factor in building wealth. It enables you to make smart investment choices, save for retirement, and plan for major life expenses, such as buying a home or sending children to college. With the rise of defined contribution retirement plans, you are responsible for building your own retirement savings. Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about retirement investments. Long-term savings that can help them have a comfortable life while having a contingency plan in place for unexpected times post-retirement. Financial literacy ideally helps an individual safeguard themselves from all financial risks, thereby helping them work towards their financial independence in the most secure and confident manner possible. Each of these components forms a critical building block of financial literacy. I sincerely hope you find value in this video. If you learned something, I encourage you to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Your likes and comments are deeply appreciated. The more you engage, the more it will reach other people too. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.